If you've ever wished you could prepare high-quality documentation in Confluence without spending hours drafting everything from scratch, this tutorial is just for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use ChatGPT alongside Confluence to help you create guides, like a how to build a house walkthrough, saving you a huge amount of time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI to help structure, populate, and refine your Confluence pages with confidence. Let's dive right in. First up, open your Confluence account. Now, if you haven't worked with Confluence much before, let me pause to reassure you, it's entirely web-based, so you just need to sign in with your credentials. Don't worry if your dashboard looks a bit busy, you're in the right place. Next, you'll pick the space where you want to add this new guide. Think of spaces in Confluence like big folders or sections for organizing all your pages, maybe one for your team, another for documentation, and so on. Selecting the correct space is important because it keeps your content organized and easier to find for you and your coworkers later on. Once you've chosen your space, go ahead and create a new page. Usually you'll see a button labeled Create or a plus sign. Click that and a fresh, blank page opens up. This is where the magic happens. Now let's say you want to make a handy guide on how to build a house. Maybe your project team needs this, or you just want a clear example for your documentation standards. Here, where ChatGPT comes in, open up a new browser tab, go to ChatGPT and type in, "Give me basic steps to build a house." ChatGPT is your AI content assistant. It'll quickly generate a step-by-step outline you can use as the foundation for your guide. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're staring at a blank page with writer's block. Instead of thinking through every detail from scratch, you get a solid structure to work with instantly. Once ChatGPT gives you a set of basic steps, hop back over to your new Confluence page. First, add a header at the top, something clear and straightforward like how to build a house. Step-by-step guide. Adding a header isn't just to look nice, it helps everyone scanning the page see what it's about at a glance. Now head back to ChatGPT, select the steps it just provided and copy them. Switch to your Confluence page and paste those details in. Don't worry if the formatting looks off at first, sometimes a quick adjustment is needed to match your organization's style. This is also your chance to personalize or modify the content. Maybe you want to add a tip that's specific to your company's process or clarify a step with a real-world example. This is where you can really make the content yours instead of just repeating whatever the AI generated. Think of this step like editing a rough draft, tailor the information so it speaks directly to your audience. After you've made all your changes and reviewed the content, you're ready for the final step. Hit that Publish button. This saves and shares your new page with your team or anyone who has access. And just like that, you've taken an idea and turned it into a polished piece of documentation fast. And you're done. See how combining ChatGPT and Confluence can help you work so much smarter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have questions or want to see more tutorials on using AI tools in your workflow. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.